Homemade
About
ice
we'll
cream.
take turns.
Yeah, take turns. Take turns. Bigay yan nung ante nila nung 1 taon. Ay, mga 2 years ago na nung umuwi ako ng Pinas. Nag-ice cream sila. Yan! Wow! Bumili kami ng cantaloupe doon sa paborito ng bilihan. Local, ano siya. Local grown. Locally grown. Ito. Tsaka ito pa. Ito pa kasi nga dumating na yung ating hipag, yung ating bisita. Ganda. Tapos sinave ko yung seeds. Ayan. Ito na yung aking na ano. Natin. Grabe, sobrang tamis guys. Yung paborito namin to. Watermelon reveal. Ito yung watermelon na. Wow. Mapula siya. So, okay lang. So, yun yung ating watermelon. Kakat ko na. So, nakat ko na yung isa nito. Meron pang isa. Ayan, ito. Meron tayong sugar, salt, tsaka ice. Bumili kami kasi mag-ice cream mamaya. Ito yung ice cream maker. Ito yung sa hipag ko na bigay sa mga anak ko. So, tinabi namin. Tapos nilinis ko kasi ngayon mag-ice cream kami mamaya. So, pakita ko sa inyo ang process. Parang coconut ice cream. So, yan. Tsaka mga, ano yung full fat milk or something. But anyway, so, nahiwa ko na yung isang melon or cantaloupe ang tawag dito. So, nilagay ko na siya sa fridge. Ito na siya. Dami na namin nakain. Ito naman pang lumpiang gulay. So, yan. So, binakante ko to. Dito nakalagay yung mais. So, niluto ko na para may space para dito sa watermelon. Ito na. Kasi kakain na rin mamayang mga 4. Hotdog. Meron din ako na pork and beans. Tsaka hotdog buns. Yun lang. Simple lang yung ano nila. Kasi yung hipag ko, hindi siya kumakain ng karne. Parang vegetarian siya. So, meron siyang dala na ito, veggie meat. Doon naman sa pinsan ng mga bata, since yung bata very picky, tinanong ko nga kung kumakain siya ng melon, ng cantaloupe, pakwan daw kumakain siya. So, paghiwa ko ng pakwan, tsaka noodles, tsaka hotdog, yun lang yung kakainin niya. Pakapiki ng bata. Tsaka hindi siya umiinom ng tubig masyado. Sa kanila soft drinks, soda, tsaka mga juice na nasa pouch. So, meron din akong tubig. Ayan. Dito, at saka yung eto guys, hindi ako bumibili nito, pero bigay yan nung nag-imbita tayo dito ng kaibigan. So, ang daming dala nila na boxes ng Kool-Aid. So, sinave ko kasi uubusin ng mga bata. Sinave ko siya sa cabinet. Sabi ko, pag may dumating na bisita, ilalabas ko. So, yung naglabas ako ng marami-rami. Yun ang inumin ng bata at saka ng mga anak ko rin. Nakakatikim lang sila pagka pupunta sa ibang bahay or may bisita o may nagbigay, sinasave ko para sa next time. Ayan. So, andito guys. Tinakpan ko kasi yung mga anak pag nakita yung titiranin lahat. Ayan. Nagpalamig na ako para mamaya sa labas kasi yung naglalaro para meron. At wala rin kaming soda dito sa bahay. Mga juice, wala rin. Ano lang, tubig lang. Pero pag nasa labas, fast food restaurant yun, hinahayaan ko silang bumili ng kahit na anong gusto nilang juice or soda. Pero pag nasa bahay, wala talaga kami ganyan. Maliban minsan, yung asawa ko magkikrave siya ng yung iced tea, yun bibili ako. Pero ano lang kami dito, tubig, tsaka juice na, yung lemon juice na ako magagawa. Wow! Ang laki na nila. Super big. Asos! Itong mga orange lalaki yan. Malaki, mas pula. So yan guys. Manonood kami ng movie mamaya. Ayan tayo yung projector. Ano muna tayo? Magtapon muna tayo nitong compost pit natin. Dito. Ay, may namukal. May namumukal. Ito yung pinagbalatan natin ng pinya, ng watermelon, and ng cantaloupe. Ng melon, oh. Okay, last na to. Yung tabon. Tapos dito naman yung sunod. Yung pupunuin natin. Sana wag. So, we're gonna make ice cream. Ito guys. Yan ang ating setup today. Nawawala ang kuting. Okay guys. Ngayon, tapon ko lang to. Ito yung nakuha ko na buto from sa ating nasa na mga kapatid mong makukulit. Dito ko na lang kaya ilagay. Meron akong tinapon dito pero ito maganda to guys. Akin munang gagahukang kaya. Gahukang ko muna. Teka lang. Ito na lang. We're gonna make ice cream. And guys, lagay muna natin. Like last year, tinapong ko lang. Tapos, tumubo. Nakaligaw ang mga pusa. Okay. Ayan, si Hackle. Ito ba si Hackle? No, this is Kitty. Okay, I'll get him. Laki na nila guys. Ang ating baby na mga nung newborn pa on, liit-liit. Ngayon, ang laki-laki na, oh. Ayan. Ito yung tumakas ngayon nandun sa kapitbahay. Ito, very relax lang tong isa na to. Chill lang siya. Dito pala siya. We're gonna make ice cream.
Yeah. You could try just a little bit. No? Okay.
Trace doesn't like ice cream.
Ah, really?
It says it, but
That happens.
Ito yung ice cream. Ay, ice cream. Yellow pa lang pa. Ayan. Here's the ice. Yung binilap. Kaka-crank siya. Ito yung ano to is sa hipag ko. Binigay sa mga bata ko. Ah, Max! So
not
cute!
So sweet.
Bigyan natin yung coconut natin. Okay, the coconut na. Hold it. How much?
Desiccated coconut.
You put the milk already? Okay, so milk.
This is
Oh,
our
sorry.
That's okay. Half and half. Oops. Half and half.
coconut.
Oh, the whole thing? Half
Half
gallon?
Half gallon, half and
Oh,
half.
okay. That's perfect.
Then a half pint.
Okay.
Half of that.
Kuya, half of that.
I did.
And then vanilla. Oh, you did already? Okay. And then sugar.
Oh yeah, can't forget
Right
sugar.
there, sugar. Wow.
Very sweet. I drink some heavy whipping cream. What? Ben just drank some heavy whipping
Just put the whole
cream.
thing. So we're gonna stir it.
Doesn't taste like it.
Just
Has
kind of
no
creamy milk.
flavor.
Alright. I think we need to add more sugar. Alright.
So
Wow.
that's not real coconut.
That is. It's just dried. Alright, so we're putting our spinner. But it's, I guess
Might
it's
be
too
too
much. Yeah. We're gonna put it in the bottom.
I
Ano to?
drank
Vintage.
so much.
There you go.
And then
Wait lang, I think we're gonna put ice. I'll hold it. It should lock, right? No. Okay, that's okay. Yung ice natin.
Bigger coconut.
too much. Oh. It's not enough.
Do it faster until it forms into
Ang
ice
pinsan
cream.
nila hindi rin
Then we
nangangaan
can't
guys ng
drink
ice
it.
cream. Sumasakit ang tiyan.
Oh, what is that that
Salt.
just came out? I mean that metal thing?
The spout.
Oh. Why is it metal?
Natin salt.
How
Homemade
about
ice
we'll
cream.
take turns?
Yeah, take turns. Take turns. Bigay yan nung ante nila nung 1 taon. Ay, mga 2 years ago na nung umuwi ako ng Pinas. Nag-ice cream sila. Yan! Wow! Maybe the ice keeps the salt keeps the ice on the Ah!
But it does make it colder too.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Faster, faster. Crank it up.
Can I?
Hold on, kuya. 5
It's at
minutes.
least
5
20.
minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes for Ben. 5 minutes for kuya. And then another 5 for Ben. Looks like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Wanna crack the ice cream? No? Aray ko po.
Oh, look at the eyes. I can see the eyes.
Medyo magtatagal tayo dito. Go, Ben.
Just steady motion. A little faster.
Faster naman, Ben. Before our ice melts. Kuya naman, turn naman ni Kuya. Wow. Go, Kuya. Keep going.
Not too fast.
Not too fast.
Alright. Sige pa, Kuya. Ang daming lamok. Beba, it's nap time.
Nap time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nap time. May nap time ang mga kuko. Ano pa yung isa? Yung isa nandun. Dalhan natin ng juice yung mga bata.
You might be driving so fast.
Have one?
Thank you.
You don't like juice? Water? Want water?
No, me and you.
Ikaw, Ben. Oh, you want to?
Thank you. We're watching them. That's Mike.
Max, come on.
Chicks are bad this year.
Oh, yeah. Oh, do you have in your house? Oh, oh, in the country here.
Here, I'll get. Oh, it's still kind of
Yeah,
soft.
it's so dry. Thank you.
Is that good?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, look at our ice cream. Ano pa, dinagdagan pa namin ng ice. Bumili pa ako.
Thank you.
Pinuno, tsaka asin sa paligid para hindi siya matunaw.
Oh, it's still soft.
Yeah, that's okay. We can
Well-
just crank it more.
Well,
Homemade ice cream. Manong Sarbatero. Wow, thank you.
Don't chew it up.
Wow, coconut. Sarap.
drink it.
Coconut?
Mm.
Awesome.
Yummy.
Not too sweet.
No, not too sweet. Ah, kuya. Oh, kuya siya. Cream? Is Jace there?
Yeah.
Nandun yung pinsan nila. Nagra-ride sila. You don't have a helmet? So good, ah?
So good.
You want ice cream? No. I give mine to Kuya.
Okay.
Oh, it's so good.
Wow, it's... Is that...
Like,
that-
I
can
would
get
buy
mine.
this.
You have your
like,
whipped cream?
pay a lot of
Here.
money for this.
Really?
Uh-huh.
It's hard to
thank
find
you.
coconut ice cream.
This is so good.
Why won't the cow come here and get
Why?
Wow.
Kuya?
so you could get some?
I gave him already over the fence.
Oh.
That's your friend.
Yeah.
I want this.
throws the hat. You want more?
Yeah.
Ito pa.
It's so good.
It's so good. No. Yeah, it's full cream of the full cream of all the full creams.
Yeah.
Ano kaya? That's it? That's it?
Yeah.
You need your hat.
No.
He got up early this morning. Well, I didn't get up.